Good afternoon, I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct, and this is our closing bell for Tuesday the 13th of September. The Australian markets rally extended into a fourth straight session today, with the key index ending the day up 0.65%, driven by a surge in real estate stocks today. ANZ Consumer Confidence data for last week out today shows Australian confidence fell 0.5% following the RBA's latest interest rate hike. However, Westpac Consumer Confidence data for September also came out today, showed an increase of 3.9%, rebounding from a 3% fall in August and rising for the first time since November 2021. NAB business confidence data was also released today, showing like consumers, businesses were confident in August as the data rose 2 points to 10 points in August, and conditions remained strong across the states and most industries, indicating that demand remains strong. NAB expects that inflation and rising interest rates, though, will eventually begin to weigh on household budgets, which in turn will lead to decreasing demand. The best performing stocks today were Chalice Mining, which added almost 10%, Novonix gained 7.5%, and BrainChip jumped 5.8%. The biggest stories came from the losing front today, though, with Link administration nosediving more than 20% during the session, as investors flee the stock on concerns that the company's proposed $2.5 billion buyout by Dye & Durham would be derailed by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority's regulatory approval process. A consortium of investors led by KKR pulled out of takeover talks with Ramsay Health Care today for a buyout worth nearly $30 billion, which led to Ramsay Health Care shares tumbling more than 10% during the session. Woolworths' acquisition of 80.2% of issued shares in MyDeal was approved by the New South Wales Supreme Court today. It is expected that an office copy of the court orders will be lodged with ASIC tomorrow, at which time the scheme will become legally effective. And the Star Entertainment Group has been found unfit to hold a casino licence in New South Wales today, following a lengthy inquiry into the hotel and casino giant by the New South Wales Independent Casino Commission. The state's regulator also handed Star a show cause notice to explain why disciplinary action should not be taken against it. Shares in Star actually rallied more than 3% today, in a sign the market was expecting this outcome from the inquiry, and in anticipation of who will come in to recover and restructure the casino giant in order to comply with regulations. The top traded stocks by Bell Direct clients today were Mineral Resources, BHP and Macquarie Group. Taking a look at economic data, investors are eagerly awaiting the release of US inflation data for August, which is out later tonight, to gain an insight into whether the cost of living in the world's largest economy continued to decline for the month of August. And that's your closing bell for this Tuesday. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. We hope you have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you in the morning for another morning bell ahead of yet another busy trading day. Happy investing.